Hi, this is Melissa Gazy with the K Grant Group, and we're here today in Scottsdale Estates at this really adorable little home that's 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, and would be an awesome starter home or an investment property. Very centrally located. Let's look around. Lots of natural light in here. We've got a big great room that you step into, and then a dining area. Steps out to your pool and backyard, and then a kitchen that's been completely updated. Got new cabinets, granite countertops, and then a stainless steel appliance package. All right, and down the hall we have 2 very updated bathrooms. We've got this first hall bath, lovely cabinets, countertops, totally move-in ready. And then down the hall to the bedrooms. And this first one here is our master. It's good size, and then the ensuite this way. Walls of closets, of course. And then down the hall to your 3 auxiliary bedrooms. And these front 2 bedrooms have these adorable little seats that I just love. A little spot for reading, just enjoying. All right, let's go back to the front. Notice the hard flooring throughout. The tile is updated, and the whole place is just 100% ready to go. You do have, we mentioned the pool before, there is a pool and a beautiful backyard that's great for entertaining. We'll stay inside because the temperatures are awfully warm today, but it is a lovely entertaining space out back. And this one is listed at $499, so really a great deal for a very central Scottsdale location. So if you have a question, give us a call. This is Melissa Gazy with the K Grant Group, and we'll talk to you soon.